Hi Janet Cuties! Today I will be demonstrating this brand new lace bond and remover product line called ESHA. ESHA is quite amazing because there are two glue formulas suited for those who wear wigs on either a short-term or long-term basis. So let's begin with ESHA Absolute. ESHA Absolute is the stronger formula and it's perfect for those seeking long-term wear. So to all of my ladies who like to wear their gorgeous units for weeks on end, this glue is tailored just for you. I am using the stocking cap method. So right now I am applying a very small amount of ESHA Absolute around my hairline, and it's always good to go a couple of centimeters below your actual hairline so that no glue gets directly into your hair. But don't worry ladies, even if this glue gets on your edges, it will not damage your hair. The ESHA Lace Bond Remover will not leave any glue in sight, because once they're gone, it's hard to get them edges back. So that's one of the best things about ESHA. It will not take out our precious edges. I like to go in with a rat tail comb to evenly smooth out the glue. You can always use your fingers, but I don't like to get my fingers sticky. Ladies, this glue dries really fast. So once it becomes tacky, apply your unit immediately. Press down for 1 to 3 minutes or until firmly in place. Once the glue completely dries, lift the stocking cap and cut off all the excess material from around your forehead. Then apply another small layer around the hairline for the wig install. You can always add additional coats of glue for a stronger hold. Just make sure that the glue is dry before adding additional coats. By the way, this gorgeous unit is from the Janet Collection's Brazilian scent line called the Domini wig. And this beautiful color is OET 1B Burgundy 99J. So right now, I'm aligning the unit to my hairline. You gotta make sure it's perfectly aligned, otherwise your wig will be lopsided. It's always great to apply your unit directly on the glue, one section at a time. This will prevent the hair from getting under the lace. Placing the unit at the center helps. It's amazing how fast and clear this glue dries. It literally dried within a minute, and I did not even need to use my blow dryer. It applies white and dries clear. It blends very well and the glue will not flake. So right now, I'm applying my powder foundation on the lace for a seamless blend. Voila, it's on and it's not going anywhere. Watch me tug my wig, hashtag tug of war, hashtag ESHA glue. ESHA Absolute's water resistant formula will withstand heat, humidity, and sports activities. It's super strong and super safe. Okay, now let's get into this removal process. ESHA Lace Bond Remover is formulated to remove not only ESHA Absolute and ESHA Firm, but all kinds of hair adhesives and bonds. This fast-acting formula will safely remove your hair unit. It's gentle on your skin and will rinse off with water. So first you gently lift and spray all around your hairline or wherever the adhesive is. I like to tug gently so that it really gets in there and dissolves the glue. And now we wait 3 to 5 minutes. My goodness, look how easy that removal process was. Come on, you will not get a clean removal from any other product. I am shocked myself by how easy that was. Now all you do is rinse the product off and follow up with a clarifying shampoo. So that's it ladies. For more information about ESHA Absolute and ESHA Lace Bond Remover, check the description box below. Bye Janet Cuties.